wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back when I hit and I smash and I you already know what we're doing for different type of people. You see what we're dealing with today. Yeah man, we're there and I hit and I smash and a banger from an artist that's no stranger to the channel. Yeah man, who me I talk? Yeah man, I'm talking to Mr. Ambala. Man, I shot Kala. You already know who I'm talking about already. I talk about none other than the Six Boss himself. Yeah man, I'm talking about Squash. Yeah man, Squash dropped a music video a few days ago entitled Dada. I'm going to check it out and see what I go on today. You don't know Squash. Every time I come here I say full of style, full of lyrics, full of flow, full of... The man just bad, just a overall dope, sick and crazy talented dancehall artist. I'm going to check out, see what a new video I deal with today, Dada. Give some feedback and react to it and see what I go on. And you don't know, expect great things from Squash because he's too talented, too skilled. Been a veteran doing this for a while now. There's no reason why, you know what I'm saying? The man just make hits after hits. There's no reason why it should be a miss this time. So, yeah man, people. Without further ado, before jumping the channel, so I said you go ahead and take this moment to hit that like and subscribe button. The likes and subscribes really help move the YouTube algorithm. It really helps get my videos out there and help my channel grow. So I really appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button, guys. Yeah man, and before we're not even gonna open up the video, hold the video much longer. Okay, without further ado, we're gonna jump right into the chat. This is Squash Dada. Let's get it. Drop your flags and your emojis. Let me know what you think in that track.
So we drop the bends and the rims them bad. Give me mommy one, we no move like crab. Done that my buy son.
So me drop the bends and them mad. Give me mommy one, we no move like crab. Yo, no, but I would do this, you know, yo. Commercial thing, but I would.
Black. See them two corner boy change like one of them par with the feds, so them.
That bad. This I go mad. This that hey.
So we drop the bends and the rims them bad. Give me mommy one, we no move like crab. My done that my buy sun ham black. See them two corner boy change like one of them par with the feds, so them. Fire running more than a boy back track.
Nah, yeah, lyrics already. Come on now, Squash. Big up yourself, me G.
See that I rinse like a rag. None of them evil bad. Me no play with no man. 23. Girl. Yeah, man. Class girl for look good. Easy mama. What I see a ton of running money, then a boy back me drag. See them I no got nothing when me have. Chop up boy neat and fling him in a bag. Killer them a bad bushy, killer them a sad. Good morning.
Like the one
I left them sad chop.
Like if I upon the one there, me not lie.
So me drop the bends and the rings them bad. Give me mommy one, me no move like crap. Why done that me buy sand and black. Yeah. See them two colors boy change like one. Them a par with the feds, so them turn on informer. Them the pussy then the militant like a daughter. And she real that me tell you now I'm bad. Top shot call me a fire zigzag. Never fear a boy from a little armada. We start the war and stand up in a drama. Pussy if it dead believe a worry about karma.
Easy. Pussy if you dead enough to worry about karma. Yo people, me know the thing about the one now. Drop no flags and emojis. Me see the fire or garbage and emoji and drop no flags. I know the favorite part, the lyrics, the flow, the artist, the visuals. Come on.
My vice was, yeah me know. Me still a flow. Me full of vibes. Me a killer dope.
You made this one, yo. What's up, me G? Now that you say it, you know, now I can hear it. Yo, you would Squash?
Me papa X and a pillar show. Paranoid, never hide. Chica glide. From me running money, then a boy but me drag. See them I no got nothing when me have. Chop up boy neat and fling him in a bag. Killer them a bad bushy, killer them a sad. Good morning. People and left them sad chop. So we drop the bends and the rings them bad. Give me mommy one, me no move.
Yo, this full of flow, no blows and skirts. Squash? Yo, this bad dog. Come in.
Like crap, side and that me buy sand and black. Me have yellow.
Mama, me like y'all go on still mama. Big man thing.
Panama City enough. Yeah. One pull me sip say something tough. Turn it Panama cause knock it on a rough cut.
Tony Pan back and knock it down or roof. Come in.
If I use boots, so me busting her gut. Well, if you're a piece of money, then me pressing my chuck. Laugh if you want, send me buy a one fuck. Never bankrupt, man, I fully bankrupt. Say, city president fully rank up. Budget. Yeah, me can suck. Watch none of them the fight like better Frank Koch. Ratchet cut short skill like Rambo. Such a man, rifleman, anywhere the done go.
Easy, the Draco.
In a hard black, every hammer hard back. 7.62, very tall shot.
Easy, no mama.
Trails gate pan the men's and me see the bar pack. Pink coat, bossy carbon, me see the wall crack. From me running money, then a boy back me drag. Pussy them hype, no got nothing when me have. Chop up boy neat and fling him in a bag. Killer them a bad, bushy killer them a sad. Scam. People and left them sad. So we drop the Benz and the rims them bad.
Squash, man, squash. Yo, squash, you're too talented, me G. Man, I think they, yo, them have to catch up, me G. Yo, squash, you do your thing, that big man thing. That song them mad. That a squash than Dada. You know, saying droppy new Benz and the rims them mad. Buy me mommy one, me no move like crab. Buy son and black, me no move like yo, blows, I'm scared. He say, I'm a Dan Dada. We say, yo. You say, by sun non black, mommy, I'm done Dada. See them true color niggas treating like guana. Come on now, man. Yeah, man, squash. Like how you move that big man thing. You've been killing this music game since your boss. You see me, and squash look like star, bro. The man got the star quality. The man live the star life, bro. Like, the man got money for real. I can see it on the man all them dogs and the whips, the videos. All of man videos them clean from day one. Lyrics them bad from day one. Style day one. Flute day one. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I would have to give it to Squash. He's been doing this thing, keep doing it. I don't think there's no. Squash is probably like the most relevant artist like for the past couple of years, because Squash never fell off now once since he was, in my opinion. And since since him bossing got some of the top artists them clash wise, because remember him clash Alka, winning that clash. Who else in the clash? I think he went against he went against Javilani, right? At one point, I think, right? Come on now, Squash in the game never fell off. That been doing him thing. When I give man him props, man, just do great. Money I make, money I show up on the dog, lyrics and style and flow, mad, video quality, everything just been top notch. Come on, all really want to see from Squash really do is shows. I don't really see shows from Squash, big man thing. That's why I seen shows like I'm seeing Skill Event and Sking them again shows. Yeah man, that's really all that's left for Squash to really dominate the game. But yeah man, people don't know what to think about it. Don't know it's about Jambisco. I was here and I hit on a smash on a banger. Let me know what your favorite part was, the lyrics, the flow, the style, the music, video, the artist, whatever it was. Let me know what's your favorite part. Drop your flags, where you're watching from, your name of your country, your state. You know what I'm saying? And if you like, you definitely go show the artist some love and support and let them know that Jambisco send you. You already know, guys. As I said, it's your boy Jambisco. I was here and I hit and I smash and banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.